Hello everyone, my name is Kathleen Nelson and my business this semester was Just Because, and what I chose to do was to focus on fleece blankets that are handmade and handcrafted. Here's a couple of them. You can see my site. Down at the bottom you can see that I added these trusted insignias. Those are all the ways I can take payment. I use Shopify to host my site. So that's my homepage. We can go over to my catalog. And my catalog shows you the blankets I have up for sale. And I have baby blankets, large blankets, everything in between. If you're to click one, it gives you a brief description of the blanket, and then you can say add to cart. And it tells you what your total should be, and then you click checkout. And it will tell you. So we're going to go here to checkout. And you would fill in your information. And we'll just pop in my information real quick. And we'll click continue. And then it tells you your two different shipping options and how much it would cost respectively. And then you can also see that automatically adds in taxes. So that makes things really nice. So that is how that works. Then we're going to go back to the home page Just Because. I also have a contact us, which it gives me my email address through the website. And then I also added a brief little write-up about the company in itself. So that is what my business was. And then the tools I used, let's see, we'll just do it here, AdWords, which I actually have it up. As you can see, since this is one of my main ones, I was on here all the time checking my campaign, and that gives you kind of shows my campaign, shows my impressions, my clicks. I was always in here looking at it, seeing what was going on, looking at the searches, what was being pulled, what wasn't being pulled. I used this all the time. And then I also used Google Analytics, which I fell in love with because of the just vast amounts of information you can get from one little tiny site, which when I'll pull up. This one I really enjoyed because I could find out about the people in themselves. I could find out where they were going. That's actually not mine. See if I can find mine. It's not going to. So we'll go over here and we will find mine. Should be here. So right now it is not showing. Oh, here we go. Here's mine. Sorry. So this shows you mine, shows you users, conversion rate, which sadly I sold nothing on my website whatsoever, which that kind of sucked. However, because of me making them at home, there are people constantly in and out of my house helping take care of my 97-year-old grandmother. I did sell several through people seeing them being made and them wanting to purchase one. So that's how my site went and a little bit about my business. And yeah, have a great night. Thanks.